Kuzokube kuthiwa yadla emnyama, yadla emnyama, yadla emnyama.
Yeah, yadla emnyama.
So Orlando Pirates bafethu ungakora amagoli more than 3 because lo mdlalo ngeke uzophele nice. Hayi bakora amagoli awu3. Hayi lokhu ngolami
umphana. Ngoba bazosetha ngalendlela abasetha ngayo labo coach be-Chiefs. Izobavathela ibhakaniya ngitshele. Mabesetha lento abajwayele ukuyisetha. Izobavathela
iChiefs. Yabawinisa nje lento abajwayele ukuyisetha. There are 6 games unbeaten.
Oh, ake ngithi 6 games unbeaten without Orlando Pirates kuleyo 6 game.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Nkabi. Njengenjalo bafethu ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Ishopho kanjani?
Hayi namhlanje i25 April bafethu sizo previewer iSoweto Derby, one of the biggest derbies in Africa. Matter of fact, one of the biggest derbies in the world. So kusasa kudlala Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs, the mighty Kaizer Chiefs. So badlala kephi FNB bafethu. Although kumdlalo we Orlando Pirates home game, but izodlala FNB kwi home game ye Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't think ke bafethu mina ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs khona la idlala khona la eSouth Africa ibe away, because Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest club in South Africa, yabo. So Orlando Pirates ke itshengisa ukungabasabi ke mayithatha igame yabo ubayisa le kupho ukuthi home game yeni kodwa it's fine, so iletha kunini
FNB.
Yes. So namhlanje bafethu awukho kuningi, sizo preview nje ukuthi sibona izodlala kanjani igame yakusasa, because as we all know, this is the biggest game and is one of the exciting games. So abona Sibuda ake singene mfethu siqala kwi history history yama Soweto Derbies.
Yeah.
Yes, it date back to 1970. And sebedlale more than 100 Soweto Derbies across wonke ama competition. Masithi wonke ama competition sibalawo M10 8 uKalink iLeague uNedbank kanje. No CAF sawubala now. Yeah. Angazi make abakhona yini Soweto Derby CAF.
Angazi nami. Kodwa ku Vodacom challenge yakuyaba khona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So ku njengoba nje ku more than 100 iOrlando Pirates iyona kwi edge with 50 wins, then iKaizer Chiefs na 37 wins. So ikanjalo ke, so kahle kahle kushuthi kule game le abantu abane edge ilokho nje Orlando Pirates, as we see futhi the last 10 derbies kwi league ilokho nje the last 10 Soweto derbies Orlando Pirates siwine ngakhi 6. Then Chiefs awina 4. Ayijwayelekile lama games la ukuba ne draw.
Yeah, last 10 derbies ayizange ibe khona i draw.
And even the last 17 ama Soweto derbies there was no draw. So uduku nje ziyakhala, yabo. So igame yabo bokugcina bayidlala ngoba namhlanje kuyi25 April, bayidlala nini nge28 February. Ngiyakhumbula ngangisabuya kwi vacation no baby lapha umama wengane. So yadlala ke ifilm. Yeah, ayiwa ba omorem basheshe bayisusa umdlalo, yabona le movie ethi ingena nje kube khona umuntu odubulekayo. Yeah, because umorem wakora ngo5 minutes.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, then umunye umuntu wakora I think wa police, because uMakgopa wangena. Ngiyakhumbula ezwe substitute ngeze ngithi uzokora uMakgopa. So kwaba u3-0 Orlando Pirates yakhipha clean sheet. So the last time iKaizer Chiefs iwina iSoweto Derby kwi league.
Yeah.
Angakabi na ingane le ngikhona manje.
2023 nge5 February.
Yeah.
Yagcina ukuwina iChiefs ishaya iPirates. Yeah.
Kwakora lo mjida abamlonile uOlisanda idefender. Kwaba i-own goal. It's been 3 years iKaizer Chiefs yawina ilokho nje. iSoweto Derby league. So from 2023, from that day, it's been 6 points donation, 6-point donation, 6-point donation, and currently they are 50% done. 6 udonatiwe, then sesele lo munye 3. So bafethu, out of zonke lezi sesibalile, niyayibona ukuthi graph itshela ngakubani. Yabo. Orlando Pirates ayidlali bafethu, ayigayelwa mphako. Yabo. When it comes to these games. Abanye bayesho vele bethi Soweto Derby ayinge form ayinani, but when it comes to league, it's very important ukuthi sisiconsider the stats.
Yeah.
Yes. Then form before singene nje iform yabo Pirates currently number 1 kwi-league. With 25 games played, yawina 18 games, draw 4, then lose 3. Then you score amagoli awu-50, then you consider ama-goals amangakhi awu-11. So ilokho nje i-goal difference 39. And they have 58 points. The Chiefs
46 points.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Yes, number point
46 points.
46.
17 wins if ungaphosisi.
13 wins.
Yeah.
13 wins. Then befika nama draw of 7. Then nama lose of 4. Then isikora ama-goals of 28 ya consider 14. Because i-goal difference of 14.
Yeah.
So ibalansile yabo. Then 46 points. So form Pirates is the best. Pirates is gunning for the league bafethu yabo. And hayi bayimisele bafethu angifuni uqamba manga. Hayi bayimisele. So ilokho nje banama clean sheets amaningi. I think ala go 14.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, ama clean sheets elokho nje. Orlando Pirates, they are unbeaten in the last 8 matches. Sikhuluma ngama matches e-league. Then so Kaizer Chiefs, remember even a draw last match.
Yeah, umdlalo wabo 6.
Yes, but before that bebenama 5 consecutive wins.
Yeah.
Yes, so now boy form you be strong. Angifuni uqamba manga. So they have 6 games unbeaten Kaizer Chiefs. Then do you think lokho nje i-Pirates ngoba kuyi-home game ina-advantage?
Yeah, ngeke ngisho ukuthi ina i-advantage i-Pirates right manje. Abantu abanganika i-advantage i-Pirates coach be-Chiefs.
Indawo shonga.
Coach be-Chiefs. Yeah, indlela abazosetha ngayo i-scheme abadlali abazobafaka. Ibona bazonika uPirates umdlandla ukuthi bavuthele.
Okay, so wena manje usetha ischeme se-derby sakusasa. Ungafielda bani? Ungadlala ngicela unginike nje i-starting 11 sakho osho ukuthi hayi this one can give Pirates a run for their money.
Yabona ngakhanda isiminyaminya lapha esiswini. Yeah, ngikhanda isiminyaminya esiswini. Ngijijele umaboy lapha kuyi6. Yeah, iOndlovu kwi8.
Okay, siqale ngala sekugcineni emavikela ambuso nobani ama defense besize student attacking.
Yeah, kona bengithi ngiqala ngesisu.
Okay, qala ngesisu isifana.
Ngifuna ukulokhujana.
Yeah.
Ukuthi amabhola ePirates uma ikhanda ama move nandani ukudisturb ama long ball nalama short passes nepace yayo ukuze ibhola liyofika lebo apolice nandani. Fanele ngizama ukustabilize la esiswini seChiefs. Yabo mangithi ngikhanda istapidi abadlali babe extra la esiswini. Ngicreate iposition for umthetho e-defensive into engakazi ibe khona. Ngamane ngibe ne-6. Yeah. Ngithi mabuwe ngithi 6 into engekho. Yabo ethi yami ngithi Ndlovu, i10 yami ngithi Chiselet. Yabo. Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi Ndlovu Chiselet ngiya-attacka lapho ngithi la ngiya-defenda lapha kumthetho.
Uzo-attacka ngoNdlovu? Uzo-attacka ngoNdlovu?
Attacking midfield. Yeah, Ndlovu. Yeah, uyakwazi uNdlovu kube i-attacking midfield. Just like abo Ireland.
Showcase.
Yeah. Then bese ngibuyela la emuva. Yabo kuyi5 yami ngithi Miguel, 4 yami. Yeah, 4 yami uMakhathi. bese ke left back yami ngithi Marco mfethu right back yami okay welcome back uFrozler ngiyambuyisela uFrozler wenza enye into last time substitute yokuthi uma engekho busy a deliver ama cross and lawo ma cross wethu aba amagoli yabo ngiyayifuna
side hustle yakhe le
yeah ngiyayifuna leyo nto uthi Chiefs uma ngabe ikhuphuka lapha yana yabona athi maphe nolilepo
showcase
yabo angithi phambili manje sengiqedile ngesiso sengiqedile nala uMarco uya overlapper nalo uya overlapper la ka right ngiya defender la elokhujeni lo oyi false 6 akwazi ukuthi olokhujana protect defense lapha o a police aphazamise lapha lama movement enziwa olokhuja umfukeng nolokhujana ngithi uyayaba u10 umafukwane noba i-playmaker ya lokhujana yamfukeng uApolice yabo so mangimenza fall ukuthi angakhathi ini yabo ngithi wena hlala la edilokhujeni ekwiposition yakho ugadu uApolice uFrozler yabo bese ngithi uma ekhatha ini mthethwa uApolice hlehla usize imidfielder ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngabe iqale i-defense uma ngabe iqale ngomahopa iChiefs yathanda ukuyipenalize uma ngabe ngithi ka assist i-defense kulokhuja umthetho ingazenzeli lento eyizenzela yona la esiswini naphambili iPirates right winger yami nginolilepo left winger yami nginovelebayi ngiya attacka yabona ngiphethe ulokhujana istriker sizoba sodwa ngoba manje ngine false 6 okuwuduba Dilivana uyakhatha in velebayi uma uthola ithuba uzokwazi ukunika iduba lilepo uma ngabe ibhola liza novelebayi udube baphambili ngena uzobiza ibhola la ngamane enze ilong ball uvelebayi mangabe uduba emakiwo wosibisi azokwazi deliver ama cross ngaleyo ndlela ke starting 11 sami mina singaba kanjalo ukustabilizer ilokhujana iPirates cause Da Silva angeke that abe that effective ebhekene nabo sibisi
it's a big game
yeah
but one thing for sure the coaches will play them
yabo
so ngeke zabe ungakuzomfaka nje na second half
uba uDa Silva sekuzodepend ukuthi iscore ubani kunomdlalo kwiPirates 90 minutes player on a pace A1
Police
so I cannot ukuthi iChiefs iwina ngo 2-1 seng introduce lokhujana uDa Silva ngikhiphe bani ngamane ngifake kunoDa Silva ngifake lo mfana othandwa zihlwelo Vilakazi yabo Vilakazi uma uligibelile kodwa uzokhipha ipass ukuthi ubulala lo muntu ophambi kwakho iobstruction uzokwazi uthole ispace sokuthi ufake ibhola it's fine makuthi uyakwazi ukungena uyokhahlela it's fine ngoba ngiya attacka manje ngamane ngifake yena instead of lokhujana mhlambe ngisubstitute ulilep sengifaka yena uVilakazi ngimi instruct ukuthi siya attacka astabeyiteli ukubukwa tabeyiteli ukuthi uyadlula ukhiphe ibhola yabo lalo lokhujana do or die ayimfethu angazi second half mhlawumbe yabo cause uNdlovu yakwazi ukubamba ibhola attack akasabile beno yabona ibhola malilapha yakoko Mabuwe kunzima ukuthatha ibhola koMabuwe yabo uyakwazi ukuthi alinike Chislet noma alifake ngapha kwi right wing yabo athi ukusondela phambidlana nyana uNdlovu ukulekelelana nobani noDuba ama player lawo asesiswini yabo defensive nje ngisha nge 66 yama ngifuna uqamba manga into engakazi lo ozohlehla ngingakwazi stabilizer iPirates ngaleyo formation engiyicreate mina ngoba ngivimba lemvula yamagoli abashawa ngayo ngale cause ulokhujana umuntu okwazi ukuthi ashaye iChiefs ishayeke uMahopa once wakwazi
uyathanda ama big games
uyayithanda iKaizer Chiefs ulokhujana uMahopa so lo mayehlehla zo assist amani fanele kuvimbeke leyo nto leyo cause ulokhujana lesisi striker sePirates uMbuthuma akekho that good
Akakabi
ukuconverta
na experience. It's
Yeah.
the first season adlala for a big team.
angiboni
He's
ukuthi
still young.
ikhona into angayenza kangaka umuntu ongayingozi uye and noyathanda ukuoverlapper
No De Jong bazobe ngabheka.
left back ye Pirates
Mhm.
i left back iyathanda ukuzodeliver ama cross la
Uhotho.
so definitely uma ngabe uhote deliver basuke begcwele laphana oMremi apolice Mufukeng Hotho so ukuyadingeka ukuthi awuhlehle ke umthetho wakhe nawe makubuye nizolikelela la uma ngabe siphuma siyaqhasha sithi sidweba amabhola siyo attack iPirate fanele imatchwe pound to pound if mina ngikhona but ke angisiu coach weKaizer Chiefs angazi uzokwenza kanjani ngocoach we starting 11 mina kuyistabilizer nje Orlando Pirates bengingakhanda leyo system
Yazi into
kusale goalkeeper wami kube uintshebe
yeah mina into engiyibonayo iKaizer Chiefs izo create ama chances but I think izo create 10 chances and convert 1 or 2. Okay, so mina iPirates ngibona ngathi izobithela ngebonko labo kusasa. Ngiyayisaba kwamina ngayona neteam yami edlalayo. Ngiyayisaba indlela iPirates izobiza ngayo kusasa. Ngiyayisaba mfethu, ngiyayibona nje because iPirates ine structure izona intensity, organized build up from the back. So shy high pressing midfield then bese kuba ama quick transition bese siya ku attack. So I think mina starting 11 engasifaka. Okay, goalkeeper obvious uSipho Chain. Then bese ngiya ngapha kuyilokhonja kuyilokhonja kuyi right back left back kuzoba umina ngafaka uHotho. But ngamfaka uNdaba ya coach. Yes, then ama center back ngaba uSibisi noSiyema ngibaphepho babili. Then ngale kwi3 then sekuzoba uSibelebele. Sibelebele ke uyamazi now. Then 6 umuntu uzoprotecta i-defense kumele kube uMakhawula. Makhehleni. I think uMakhawula uyena wawina imidfield of the season last year. Then 8 dingeka umbatha lapha. But ke ucoach uyamazi wathi anqina ukufaka uNemtajela. Anqina ukufaka uNemtajela. Then u7 obvious akekho umuntu odlala i7 lapha. uApolice. Then i10 Mufukeng. Then ngale 11 obvious lunch bar uMorini. I-striker mina ngaqala ngoma Hope. Khona ezoyiphanisha kusese early Chiefs. But ngiyamazi ucoach uzoqala ngobani ngoMbuthuma. Then ke vele noma kuthiwa isona le scheme lesi Sibisi Hotho ayibo Chain Sipho Chain keeper uHotho uSibisi uSiyema then bese kuba uSibelebele then i6 uMakhawula then 8 lokhonjo umbatha 7 aPolice 10 uMfukeng then 11 Moremi then striker sami ungaba ungaqala ngolokho ngwana assist then but ke ngiyazi uzoqala uMbuthuma. Into engiyibonayo ukuthi izo decide igame imidfield yabo. iPirates izozama ukuwina leyo back lesiswini yabo because wonke ama side la iKaizer Chiefs naba attack ngama full backs yabo. Then defense uSibisi unecard no De Jong. Ngibona ngibakhumbula kwiChiefs lo mfana ogibela ibhola ba
Vilakazi.
Yes uVilakazi then bese kuba uSilva. Abantu abazoba ne-impact kwiKaizer kwi-side le Orlando Pirates urile aPolice then bese kuba uMoremi yabo. So leyo 3 le ifithi kahle kahle uRem urile aPolice Moremi yabo. Ngalena kwiChiefs I think maybe ba Lilebo
Lileko Duba mhlambe
Silva
Chislet bayamthanda mhlambe angiboni kodwa uSilva mhlambe kodwa ngoba bayamthanda bangamfaka
Ucabanga ukuthi isikole soba kusasa?
Isikoma kungabanga u2 ake ngithi u3-2, 3 Pirates, 2 Chiefs. Singaba kanjalo okanye kube idraw ya 2-2.
Hayi mina ngibona ukuthi kuzoba khona idraw kusasa. Ngeke. Kusasa nje inhloko iyahlukana nesixhanti.
Iyawina ibhakaniya.
Ibhakaniya have more to lose than the Pirates. Than the Chiefs. Because if they lose this game, the league is gone. If they draw this game, league is gone. Then the Chiefs can still recover because they are still number 3. Amazulu bewina namhlanje ngwagcine win.
Bewin phela amazulu.
Yes. Edlala neChipa. But my score prediction, if une-1000 angikhulumi ngabantu abangenalo 1000, fa uthi Pirates to win 2-0. You will take me later. Yeah, kodwa mina ngibhejike mina.
Uyabahlohla.
Hayi, yabo kusasa kuthiwa yadla emnyama.
Yadla emnyama.
So, Orlando Pirates bafethu, ungakora amagoli more than 3. Because lo mdlalo ngeke uzophele nice. Hayi, bakora amagoli awu3. Hayi, lokho lami
umkhona. Ngoba bazosetha ngalendlela abasetha ngayo labo coach beChiefs. Izobavathela ibhakaniya, ngitshele. Mabe setha lento abajwayele ukuyisetha. Izobavathela iChiefs.
Yabawinisa nje lento abajwayele ukuyisetha. There are 6 games unbeaten.
Ake ngithi 6 games unbeaten without Orlando Pirates kuleyo 6 game. Sengifaka iOrlando Pirates kulo game ya7 kule scheme lesiyana. Izobavathela iPirates uma bedlala ngalendlela basetha ngalendlela abasetha ngayo ischeme.
Hayi yabo ukuze uthi ufike olwandle eThekwini kuthiwa hayi olwandle likho right.
Ubench oChislet ubench ovele by bench oVilakazi. I-creativity uzoyithathaphi uphethe olilepo. Yabo uCross iphi creativity kuCross laphana emuva. Uattack uya-attack yini uCross? No. Noma ephethe ibhola uCross aka-attack. Fanele i-team kube i-team ethanda ukuba weak. Then uCross uzoyake phambili aphase enze assist. Kodwa makuyi-team ene-high pace njenge-Orlando Pirates kukancane ukuthi uthole uCross e-overlapper. Cause ijubane lokubuya kanalo bazomshiya oba nomremi. Waphuma kwiposition yakhe bazomshiya ngejubane mase attack.
Seba defender sebhekele epaleni.
Sekudefend okubheke sebenza njalo baya ife angazi bani kodwa ke sharp zinto.
So bafethu mina lami lithi kusasa Orlando Pirates izoyishaya iChiefs bafethu because iChiefs test. So tomorrow is their biggest test. And bazobe besakhokhumula besithi ifike iSundowns. Bebavula amehlo uyabona ngithi yabo uthothi ngithi ucambalala. It's been a long day. Uthi uyaphaphama house ekusile. Sekumele uphindele khona emsebenzini. So hayi bafethu iChiefs izodinga inhlanhla ngazi kanjani ukuze win kusasa because without yona ngeke. So bafethu siyayivala sobonana kusasa. Remember kusasa ngo3 kuzoqalisa auto derby. Then sizobuya sizosho then ngo5 then sisemhlathuze. Mhlathuze kudlala iLokhonjo. Richards Bay neMamelodi Sundowns. So bafethu sasa is going to be very very long day. Very very long day. So bafethu nakanjani bafethu sinithanda nonke emakhaya.